need the freedom. Not like the ones stuck inside a cage, 50 of them that I saw yesterday. And in like a pet shop, I saw also 3 chickens, 10 chicks, baby chicks, and that's it. Well, I don't really know what I can do about it. It's the way it is. We go with wire cutters like Gary Roski and try and free them, but the only way to go. These are parrots, by the way. Don't know, hopefully you can see them. They eat the dates from the trees when they're ripened. Yeah. Apparently most of these birds come from zoos that they escaped from, but I don't know. New day. Let's go and eat some papayas and sing for freedom.